Hello moneymakers. Check out this video.
What's up, civilization? I just left the jungle and found a glass cave on wheels with people inside.
Stop fogging the glass, Yeti freak!
She talked. The grandmothers here have bite.
Okay, first impressions. The jungle didn't smell like, fried socks. Where are the trees?
This is the city food god. It has snacks behind invisible force fields.
I give banana, you give chocolate, deal?
AT accepted my sacrifice.
Look, I get it. We don't believe.
Tell me something. Have you ever seen a giant white Yeti walking in the forest, holding a GoPro and vlogging his little influencer life? Yeah, that's what everyone is doing, and it is trending right now. And no, it's not from Pixar. It's made using AI, and it's blowing up the internet. Let me show you the proof. There's this Instagram page called bgfootvlog. They've posted only 23 videos of a big monkey doing forest vlogs, and guess what? They have got over 217,000 followers and tens of millions of views on their videos, and all made with a single AI tool, Google VEO 3. But wait, it gets crazier. Another page called Yeti Vlog Life? Just 17 posts, and have got already 70,000 followers. Their latest video, posted 7 days ago. This page was blown in just 7 days only. So if you're sitting there thinking, is it too late to start with AI-generated content? Orient, can I really make money with these AI videos? Let me tell you something. People are literally printing money and building brands out of these Yeti vlogs. And what are you doing? Scrolling them those endless videos? Wondering how people get rich? Doubting yourself every day on your abilities? Not anymore. I am here to rescue you. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create your own Yeti vlog using Google VEO 3. We will post these videos on YouTube Shorts, as YouTube is the best platform to make money, and you also get many other opportunities on YouTube. In this video, I will teach you the exact prompt format these viral pages are using, how to make your Yeti consistent, cinematic, and hilarious, the technical tricks to generate 16:9 cinematic shots, how to turn these clips into viral YouTube Shorts, and yes, how to monetize the whole thing with Google AdSense ads, brand deals, and digital products. Oh, and I've also prepared a free Google Doc just for you, packed with prompt templates and many more information. Because I don't want you to just watch others blow up with AI. I want you to become the next faceless content creator killing it in the shorts game. So grab a cup of cold coffee, sit tight, and watch till the end. Because once you see how easy and powerful this is, you'll never look at content creation the same again. Let's get started. Alright, so now I'll explain step-by-step how to use Google VEO to create videos like this, how to add audio to it, how to create all the scenes. So keep watching till the end. But guys, before the video starts, you have to tell me in the comments whether you've clicked that subscribe button below the video or not. So let's roll. Alright, so first of all, to create multiple vlog videos of the Yeti or any animal, we need video ideas. If you're that creative and can decide each scene yourself, something funny and enjoyable to watch, then you can do that part on your own. But if you're not getting any ideas about what to make, then no worries. In this era of AI, we don't need to overwork our brains, and your AI Maskman, as always, has everything ready for you. But I don't know why people keep watching my videos and just leave without liking or subscribing. So guys, to generate ideas, we'll use our most special friend, ChatGPT. For that, I've prepared a perfect prompt, and here it is. You'll get the link to this Google Doc by joining my WhatsApp and Telegram channels. The links for both are given below in the description. But wait, watch the full video first before going to grab the doc. You just need to copy this prompt and give it to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT will give you different ideas to create Yeti vlogs. If you don't want to make it about a Yeti and want to do it on another animal, you can modify the prompt as per your choice. And don't worry, I've added everything in detail with examples inside the prompt, so ChatGPT will understand everything easily, just like always. So all you need to do is pick the idea you like from the suggestions. And if you already have your own idea, you can give that to ChatGPT too. Once you select the idea, we'll need to create the scenes and also generate individual prompts and dialogues for each scene, so we can use them in Google VEO to make the video. For that too, I've created a master prompt inside the Google Doc. You just have to add your video topic to that prompt, copy it, and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then generate scene prompts for you. Make sure your prompt follows this format. Subject description. Define the main character and action happening in the scene. Then add camera perspective, like setting the camera angle to selfie camera angle or something similar. Next, give the environmental context, background details, weather, surroundings, etc. And finally, add the voiceover dialogue. If you use this format properly, you'll get the best results inside VEO3. And don't worry, I've already added all these prompts inside the Google Doc, so there's no need to stress. Oh, and yes, sometimes ChatGPT doesn't give great results right away. And I always say this, never blindly use any AI content I give. Always read the prompt properly and make changes as per your needs. Alright, so let's get started with creating the scenes. First, open DeepMind's tools. You can generate from both Gemini and Flow. I'll be using Flow. And trust me guys, VEO3 is undoubtedly the beast of AI video generator models, but yes, it costs $250, which is definitely not a small amount, but kind of result you get with this is totally worth it. But don't worry, you can also use their 1-month free trial, which gives you access to their latest models, 2.5 Pro and VEO3. You can use Flow, Whisk, and similar tools in this setup, so go for it. And hey, if you have a student ID, you can even access it for free. Alright, so now let's start generating the video. I already created one video using this. Let me show you.
Day 1 alone in the snow. No plan, no pants, just vibes. Let's vlog. I already regret this.
I used the same prompt format I shared with you earlier. That was an amazing result, right? I mean, it doesn't even look like AI, it feels super real. Now, since I've already generated one video, I'll just keep adding scenes to it. From here, choose text to video, and in the settings, set the output count to 1 and under model, select VEO3, and hit generate. And now it'll start generating it. And here's the result.
Guys, welcome to my luxury igloo. Hand-built by rage, frostbite, and poor decision-making.
That was amazing too. So in this way, you have to keep generating videos for each scene. You can either make separate clips or keep adding scenes to the same project. So yes, it's that simple. You can create cinematic, realistic Yeti vlog videos in just a few steps. Now let's move on to merging everything in any video editor tool. Also, if you want to learn how to keep the character consistent in all videos, not just in animal vlogs but also in human face videos, then you need to comment as much as possible. If I get 100 comments on this video, I'll make a detailed video on this topic too. And if you want to learn one-on-one, you can join my school community, where I host 2 live group coaching calls every week, and you'll also get access to my complete YouTube automation course. The link is given below in the description. Go check it out. Now let's merge all the clips. For that, I'll open CapCut, then I'll upload all the videos. Next, one by one, arrange them in order, scene-wise on the timeline. Then in between each clip, add transitions, either mix or black fade. And just like that, your Yeti vlog is ready. Now just start uploading this on YouTube and all other platforms, and that's it. Just stay consistent and keep putting in the effort, and you will succeed soon. Now let's take a look at our demo video. But before that, like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Now enjoy the video.
Day 1 alone in the snow. No plan, no pants, just vibes. Let's vlog. I already regret this. Forgot to check battery. Great start. Maybe I'll vlog in the dark too.
Guys, welcome to my luxury igloo. Hand-built by rage, frostbite, and poor decision-making.
This is my wife. She's smart, stunning, and very pregnant. Her cravings control my life now.
All right, let's go for a walk. Maybe I'll find peace. Or a sandwich.
Okay, so today we're doing some cold plunging, which is good for circulation, reduces inflammation, but mostly just good for a mental challenge.